Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Enrique back with another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of healthy eating, and let me tell you, I'm fired up about this one. We're talking about superfoods, but not just any superfoods. We're talking about the ones that are naturally carb and sugar-free. Get ready to discover 9 amazing foods that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body from the inside out. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss an epic health tip from yours truly. Now let's get started. Alright, before we reveal our all-star lineup of superfoods, let's take a moment to understand why going carb and sugar-free can be such a game changer for your health. Reducing your intake of these can have some pretty awesome benefits. When we eat a lot of refined carbs and added sugars, our blood sugar levels can spike, leading to those dreaded energy crashes and cravings. Over time, this can increase the risk of weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic diseases. By choosing carb and sugar-free options, we can help keep our blood sugar levels stable, which means more sustained energy throughout the day, fewer cravings, and better overall health. Plus, many carb and sugar-free foods are naturally lower in calories and higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This means you can feel fuller for longer, which can help with weight management. So, by making simple swaps and incorporating more carb and sugar-free superfoods into our diets, we can take control of our health and feel our absolute best. Now, are you ready to meet these nutritional powerhouses? Let's do this. First up on our list is the creamy, dreamy avocado, a fruit often mistaken for a vegetable. But hey, who's keeping track when it's this good for you? Avocados are like nature's butter, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But wait, there's more! Avocados are also a great source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, K, and E. They're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Slice them up on toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or whip up some delicious guacamole. Those healthy fats and fiber help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating and those pesky cravings. Whether you're a seasoned avocado enthusiast or just starting to incorporate them into your diet, trust me, your body will thank you. Stay tuned as we explore more incredible carb and sugar-free superfoods. Next up, we're diving into the deep blue with salmon, a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a chef's kiss. This fatty fish is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Think of omega-3s as the superheroes of the nutrient world, fighting off bad guys like heart disease, stroke, and even depression. They're also crucial for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and keeping those blood vessels flowing smoothly. But that's not all. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein, vitamin D, and selenium. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or smoked, salmon is a versatile and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. Stay tuned as we unveil more incredible carb and sugar-free superfoods. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Well, it turns out he was onto something. This leafy green superfood is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health in countless ways. Spinach is an excellent source of iron, a mineral that's essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Spinach is also a great source of vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. But wait, there's more. Spinach is also rich in vitamins A and C, folate, and magnesium. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, sautéed with garlic, or blended into smoothies, spinach is a versatile and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. Stay tuned as we uncover more amazing carb and sugar-free superfoods. Next up, we're cracking open the incredible nutritional benefits of eggs. For years, eggs got a bad rap due to their cholesterol content. But guess what? Studies have shown that dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy weight. They're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including choline, vitamin B12 and selenium. Whether you prefer them scrambled, fried, poached or boiled, eggs are a versatile and delicious way to start your day or enjoy as part of any meal. Stay tuned as we reveal more carb and sugar-free superfoods that will rock your world. Next up, we're diving into the world of gut health with Greek yogurt, a creamy and tangy superfood that's packed with probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that are beneficial for your digestive system. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. It's also lower in lactose than regular yogurt, making it a good option for people with lactose intolerance. Whether you enjoy it plain, topped with fruit and granola, or used as a base for dips and sauces, Greek yogurt is a versatile and delicious way to nourish your gut and boost your overall health. Stay tuned as we explore more amazing carb and sugar-free superfoods. Next up, we're cracking the code to healthy snacking with nuts, nature's perfect little powerhouses of nutrition. Don't let their small size fool you. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They're the perfect snack to keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals without spiking your blood sugar levels. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, cashews, macadamia nuts, the options are endless, and each one brings its own unique set of health benefits to the table. Almonds, for instance, are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which we know are great for brain and heart health. Pecans are rich in antioxidants and fiber, while cashews are a good source of magnesium, which is essential for muscle function and relaxation. Enjoy them on their own, add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on salads, or use them to make delicious nut butters. Stay tuned as we uncover more amazing carb and sugar-free superfoods. Get ready to dive into a world of vibrant colours and juicy flavours with berries, nature's little gems that are bursting with antioxidants. These bite-sized powerhouses are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. They're naturally low in sugar and packed with vitamins, minerals and fibre, making them the perfect addition to any healthy diet. From blueberries to strawberries, raspberries to blackberries, each berry variety brings its own unique set of health benefits to the table. Blueberries, for instance, are known for their high levels of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Raspberries are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Enjoy them fresh on their own, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies or use them to make delicious jams and desserts. Stay tuned as we reveal our final carb and sugar-free superfood. Finally, we're drizzling things up with olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet and a true culinary treasure. Often referred to as liquid gold, olive oil is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. It's a rich source of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can benefit your heart, brain, and overall health. One of the key benefits of olive oil is its high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels, raise good cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Whether you're drizzling it over salads, using it to sauté vegetables, or incorporating it into your favorite recipes, olive oil is a versatile and delicious way to enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. So go ahead, embrace the liquid gold, and experience the amazing health benefits of olive oil for yourself. That's it for our top 9 carb and sugar-free superfoods. Remember, incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. That's a wrap on our carb and sugar-free superfood adventure. I hope you learned a ton about these nutritional powerhouses and how they can help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And be sure to check out the links in the description for more healthy products and tips that I personally recommend. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep crushing it.